On December 25, 2021, humanity launched one of the most powerful machines ever created. A telescope so advanced, it can look back in time, over 13 billion years, to the very moment the first stars lit up the universe. Today, we dive deep inside the James Webb Space Telescope. How it works, what it has discovered, and the images that changed everything we knew about the cosmos. Inside the James Webb Telescope, the images that changed everything. White Medium Star Section 1, How JWST Actually Sees the Past. To understand Webb, you need to understand one simple fact. Light takes time to travel. When you look at the moon, you see it 1.3 seconds in the past. When Webb looks at distant galaxies, it sees them over 13 billion years ago. Unlike Hubble, which sees mostly visible and ultraviolet light, JWST sees infrared. Infrared light reveals hidden stars behind dust, early galaxies, the chemical fingerprints of atmospheres, heat signatures of distant worlds. It's like swapping a regular camera for thermal vision. Suddenly, the universe becomes transparent. White Medium Star Section 2, the first images. On July 11, 2022, NASA released Webb's first full-color image. And it shocked astronomers worldwide. That tiny speckled picture contained thousands of galaxies. Some so old that they formed just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang. And the craziest part? This image was taken with just 12.5 hours of exposure. Hubble needed weeks to reveal this much detail. White Medium Star Section 3, the galaxies that shouldn't exist. Then came the real shock. Webb started spotting galaxies that were too bright, too massive, and too organized, way too early in the universe's history. These galaxies existed just 300 to 400 million years after the Big Bang. A time when the universe should have been dark, messy, and still forming. Astronomers began asking, how are these galaxies so big, so fast? Did our models of cosmic evolution miss something? Was the universe forming stars faster than we thought? This discovery alone forced scientists to rethink major parts of cosmology. White Medium Star Section 4, Webb photographed the oldest black holes. Webb also found supermassive black holes. But here's the twist. They were already fully grown when the universe was just a baby. Some of these black holes had the mass of millions of suns only a few 100 million years after time began. How did they grow so big so fast? Nobody knows yet. White Medium Star Section 5, the TRAPPIST-1 system and alien atmospheres. One of Webb's most incredible abilities. It can analyze the atmospheres of exoplanets. By studying how starlight filters through a planet's atmosphere, Webb can detect water vapor, methane, carbon dioxide, oxygen, and possibly signs of life. Webb studied the TRAPPIST-1 system, 7 Earth-sized planets. It confirmed that some planets may have thin atmospheres. Others may be stripped by the star. And some might still be habitable. This is the closest humanity has ever come to analyzing another Earth. White Medium Star Section 6, the pillars of creation like never before. Then came one of Webb's most iconic images. The pillars of creation. Where Hubble showed these pillars as dark and shadowy, Webb revealed stars being born inside them. It was the clearest view humanity had ever seen of star formation. White Medium Star Section 7, JWST versus dark matter and dark energy. Webb also helped test one of the biggest mysteries in physics. Dark matter and dark energy. By observing gravitational lensing, the bending of light by unseen mass, Webb mapped out invisible dark matter with extreme precision. Some observations didn't match predictions, raising new questions. Is the universe expanding faster than expected? Are our models incomplete? Is dark matter behaving differently? Webb isn't just taking pictures. It's challenging our physics textbooks. White Medium Star Section 8, the future of Webb. Webb is expected to operate for over 20 years. In that time, it may discover the first stars ever created, the first galaxies, new Earth-like planets, atmospheric hints of life, clues about the birth of time and space. The more it looks, the stranger the universe becomes. Inside the James Webb Telescope lies humanity's greatest time machine. A window to the beginning of everything. Every new image reveals something impossible. Something unexpected. Something that forces us to rethink our place in the universe. If you want more deep space mysteries and discoveries, you're in the right place. Subscribe to Core of Space for more mind-blowing cosmic stories.